the mother. This is the mother. Then Sticky. Then Shasha. Crab, crab, Shasha. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Crab, crab, Shasha. Look, baby. Say hi, Tamu. Hi, hi, hi. Put it down, Sophia. Put it down. Give me. Hi, my mother. There. She's down on the floor relaxing. Hey, give me that. I'll show her. No. Okay. Silver's she is exploring the world. So that's Lara. Yeah, the babies are here because it's very dangerous. Very dangerous. Sometimes neighbors leave poison around, and that's not good. And do not give chocolate to Tamu or Reggie, because that is poisonous and they will die. High five. Okay. Put it here. This is my face. Get me out. Hey. Hello. Hi, Mother. Are you wondering
Okay, I think they want to.
I thought they want to sleep. They want to sleep because they're sleepy. Okay. It's Fuzzball. That's Fuzzball. That's the one who ate my fish, but I don't really care. Who is this? Yeah, I thought, oh, Grandma. Atto. What? Yeah. Atto is just stinky. Atto is stinky. Atto is the ogre man. Atto is the ogre man. Stinky Atto. Stinky Atto. Na, you cannot catch me.